Hello guys, welcome back to Forza Horizon 5. Today we are going to be checking out the Vauxhall Lotus, Carlton. You can get this car by getting 45 points in the festival playlist. And today we will be turning it into a drift car and see how well it does. I will rev the engine for you guys. It doesn't sound that great. I might switch it to a different V8. Here's the V8. Should we? Yeah. I'm gonna put on the supercharger. Should I go all-wheel drive or keep it rear? I'll try all-wheel drive first and then go back to rear. That sounds good. I will be taking the rear wing off. I won't put on the front splitter. I'm gonna put on drift tires. Yeah, right there, drift tires. I will not be taking up my tires. I'll be keeping them thin. Spacers. Let's see how good they are. They're decent. Not the best, but they're decent. We will be putting a 8-speed in here. So we have 8 gears. I will also put drift suspension on. Yeah. I'll be doing weight reduction also with it. Almost 700 pounds I can remove. Not bad, but now the engine upgrades. I will be maxing it out. If you guys want a part 2 of me making this into a sleeper car, leave a like, share the video, and comment below if I should do a part 2 of making this into a sleeper car. I say this took me about 4 hours to get. Almost done here, and we will take it out onto the drift track. Okay, 1,000 horsepower, not bad for this Vauxhall. My only concern is that the all-wheel drive is going to make it harder to kick that rear end out, but let's see how it does. Let's see how it does. Okie dokie. Oh man, the music is way too loud. I'm gonna have to turn that down. I will be going to the drift track down over here, and my personal best is 143,000. We'll try to beat that today. No promises. I'm not the best drifter, but dang, that thing sounds nice. If there are any other cars you want me guys to review, comment down below what it is. and I'll try my best to do it. Yeah, the rear end does not want to kick out here, but I'll give him my best shot. Yeah, it has way too much grip. I'm going to switch to rear-wheel drive and see if that makes it any better. I'm just going to finish this zone here. Okay, 93,000, not bad. Of cars that have done worse. Now we will go and switch into wheel drive and see if that makes it any better. We will try one more time in all wheel. And it looks like, let's see, how many points have I got? 117,000, a lot better than last time. Still not my personal best record, but it's better than nothing. I'm going to drive to the festival, change to rear-wheel drive, and see if that makes it any better. Again, if you guys want to see me make this into a sleeper car, leave a like, comment below any car ideas that you want me guys to do, and share the video. Why not? Comment below. Have a fun chat. Alright, take our drive off. Now I should have no problem drifting if it even does any better. Okie dokie, and here we go. Okie dokie, and we're out of the festival. Okay. It's a lot easier to kick out the rear end, but I don't know if I'll be able to have enough grip. Yeah. I probably won't have enough time to switch tire compounds, so I'll just adjust my steering. Alright, let's try this and see if it does better or worse. Okay, the steering made it a little bit better. Or maybe not. Let's just test it on the track and see how it does. I had a little bit of understeer there, but no biggie. Oh. And that's it. My game has ended. If you guys want to see a part 2, leave a like, shout out. No, not shout out. Leave a comment below. And thank you for coming. Subscribe.